Canada. Whether your vantage point is looking outside a car window on a cross-country road trip or 2,000 kilometers from the Earth, you can see that it is a land rich with diverse regional landscapes. Hi, I'm Walter Peace, Associate Professor in McMaster University's School of Geography and Earth Sciences. This year my course, The Regional Geography of Canada, is being offered through the Ontario Online Initiative. Basically, this means the entire course is offered online with students coming from universities across Ontario. The aim is not only to provide students with a geographical perspective of Canada's regions in terms of their histories and current issues, but also to expose you to some eye-opening facts along the way. Did you know that virtually all of Canada was covered by continental ice sheets on at least 3 occasions during the Pleistocene era? In fact, during the most recent glacial period, known as the Wisconsin Ice Age, ice more than 3,000 meters thick covered what is now Hudson Bay. And what about the first people to arrive in what is now Canada? When did they set foot on what would become Canada? From where did they come and how did they get here? Since their arrival over 12,000 years ago, Canada has become one of the most cosmopolitan countries in the world. How have patterns of migration changed from the 19th century to the present time? And what are the implications of these changes for Canada and its regions? Now fast forward to the early 21st century. Canada's population has surpassed 34 million. Its 3 largest cities are Toronto, the livable city, Montreal, which has evolved at the confluence of the French and English cultures, and Vancouver, one of Canada's most scenic cities. And what about the rest of Canada's population? Where do Canadians live? In fact, in this second largest country in the world, Canada exhibits one of the most highly concentrated populations, with more than nearly 60% of Canadians living in southern Ontario and southern Quebec. In addition, more than 75% of all Canadians live within 150 kilometers of the Canada-US border. These questions provide insight into what kind of a discipline geography is and the kind of material you will experience in this course. Geography enters into decision-making in terms of planning, resource allocation, and problem-solving in all facets of our daily lives. Consider just this one example, the myriad issues surrounding the Athabasca tar sands. Among the many geographical concerns are the impacts of this project on the environment, from a local to the global scale, the economy, the social geography of cities such as Fort McMurray, and Canada's future dependence on fossil fuel energies. In short, these and a host of other issues suggest one thing: geography matters. Together we will look at this and other issues using technologies such as videos, webinars, and digitized maps. We will focus on making the content meaningful in a community-based way. I hope to see you there.